Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
I would have to say the original The Fly. And because at the end where the spider ate the little fly, I've been frightened of spiders ever since.
What scary movie scared you the most and why?
I gotta say the first Saw movie because I was really young when I saw it, so it was pretty scary.
Okay, what's your name?
Uriah
Okay. Last name?
Cotman.
Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
None of them. I don't get scared.
What's your name?
Ty Taylor.
Thank you. Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
I hate scary movies, but I watched Weapons. That was terrifying.
Okay. Why?
Them eating people and tearing people and the breaking of the stick.
Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
Halloween did because I was young and I don't like scary movies.
What's your name?
Sandy.
Okay, thank you so much. What scary movie scared you the most and why?
My name is Aubrey, and the movie that scares me the most is probably Terrifier.
Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
Probably Megan, just because like the character just itself just like scared me. I don't know. Okay, what's your name? Jocelyn.
Okay, what scary movie scared you the most and why?
Obsession, because like it seems like a real thing that could happen.
Okay, what's your name?
Tessa Clark.